Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about how we can represent text using numbers. So to get going, I want you to look at these numbers and see if they mean anything to you. Do you have an association in your head around these numbers? Brainstorm with your partner, see what you think the list represents. When you think you have an idea, come up with another item to add to the list that would be in line with it. And if you're working alone, please just hit pause here and consider what this might be. And after you hit pause, and now you can come back. And if we look at this list again, you might see that the list represents dates. So New Year's Eve, Valentine's Day, 4th of July, Halloween. So you might add another holiday to that. Okay, so you are socially distanced, so this is going to be a little bit more difficult than just using sticky notes and paper and pencil. So we're going to think of other ways to play this out together, but that's okay. Let's just go through these challenges and we'll talk it through here first, and then we'll figure out once we're in a class space how to do it, because when we do have this lesson, some kids will be on campus under the tent and some will be home virtually, and so we have to think about how to best do this. Okay, so you're going to look at the samples on the screen, and using only the numbers, you'll need to communicate these samples to a partner. No letters or characters allowed. Come up with a system that allows you to do this. So we've been talking about number systems. Any system that you want. Okay, so the next slide is going to be that we're starting with challenge 1, and partner A, you should be in your separate, you should have your system created and have taken some time to create your system, and partner A needs to put their head down and look away from the screen right now, and partner B needs to make sure that partner A is doing this. Okay, so look away from the screen, don't cheat. And now partner B, you need to be looking at the screen, and on a sticky note you need to use your system to write the following message that you're seeing. Partner A, do not look at the screen. You're supposed to still be looking away. Hit pause on this video. See, partner B, if you can use the system that you created. And after you've written on a sticky note, or maybe in the chat, however you want to communicate with your partner, it's probably best to write it on a piece of paper and hold it up. But once you've done that, okay, you're going to hold on, put your head up. All right, and you're going to translate the message on the sticky note, partner A. Hopefully the sticky note's being held up and you're using your system to translate it. And now partner B is going to put their head down. So take a moment to do this. And now, heads up, check your answer. This is your first answer. And if it didn't work out and you didn't guess this, then you need to update your system. All right, moving right along. Now, challenge 2. Partner B, put your head down. Partner A, make sure partner B has put their head down. And partner B, keep your head down. Partner A, you're writing this using your system on a sticky note. You're going to not write that word, not write this word, but you're going to write something that translates into that word using your system. Keep your head down, partner B. Okay. Partner B, heads up. Translate the message in your sticky note. I don't know why it's saying that partner A has to keep their head down. I'm not really sure why. Partner B, heads up. Translate the message on your sticky note using your system. And you'll see that the answer should be great. If it wasn't, update your system. Okay. All right, we're up to challenge 3. Partner A, heads down. Partner B, be ready. Make sure that partner A, that their head is down. And let's continue. Okay, so partner A, keep your head down. Partner B, on a sticky note, use your system to write the message. And this is the message. You're not writing these actual words, you're using your code to write it. Keep your head down, partner A. This would be a good time to hit pause so that you can get to work, and partner A, keep your head down. All right. Once this is written down, only when partner B says it, partner A can bring their head up and translate the message on the sticky note, but you should be hitting pause if you're not ready, and you should just be hitting pause on this video if partner B is not ready. Again, I'm not really sure why they want partner B's head down for this, but anyway, I don't really see a need. You could just hold it up and see. All right. Let's continue. If you're not ready to continue and show partner A the answer, then you should be hitting pause at this point. This is what was said. This is what you should have translated it to. If you didn't, update your number system. This would be when you hit pause and you talk about it. You update your number system. Okay, I'm moving along. Partner A, just wait. Partner B, put your head down. If your partner B is not putting their head down, hit pause. Okay, once partner B's head is down, we can continue. And partner A, partner B, your head is down. Partner A, on a sticky note, you're going to use your system to write the following message. Okay. Keep your head down, partner B. This would be a good time to hit pause so that you can take a moment to write this. Keep your head down, partner B. Okay, after some time has passed, if you're still not ready, continue to hit pause. Partner A, again, I'm not sure where you have to put your head down, just hold up the sticky note. And partner B, head up, look at the sticky note that partner A has provided, and translate the message on the sticky note using your system. Okay, now would be a time to hit pause if you're not ready. Okay, and what it should have equated to is this. If it didn't, update your number system or your text system. Okay, so think about this. This will be when we come together as a group, and this is when I'll have everyone come back into the general Zoom. You're going to find another group, discuss with them the following prompts before discussing with the class. Well, we'll just discuss this as the whole class. You're going to compare your systems. How are they the same? How are they different? What's the minimum number of bits each of your systems would need per character? How do you know? Convert your largest number in your system into binary. How many bits does this number require? And we're going to end with talking about the ASCII number system. Okay, so what problem are we trying to solve here today? And what details from the last few lessons were hidden or out of focus that hopefully are a little bit clear to you or becoming clear to you now? Okay, and this is this idea of abstraction, and we're going to spend so much time this year talking about abstraction and what it means and how it is a concept, but it's also a construct of computer programming. So here, how's it going? in ASCII is written like this, and we'll dissect what this means. And then from ASCII, ASCII is written like this. This is not just an example of how it, theoretically how it works. This is literally the ASCII, and this is literally the binary that was translated from the ASCII. Okay. What's another example of abstraction from your everyday life? Something where you don't really have to understand it, but you still use it all the time with confidence. And just think about that.